This parrot imitates the last words of a murder victim. In 2015, in the United States, married couple Glenna Durham and Martin were shot at their home in Michigan. Glenna had one shot in the head and survived. Meanwhile, her husband died from 5 gunshots. At first, the police thought there had been a robbery at his house, but as the investigation progressed, Glenna was finally named a suspect in Martin's death. After that, the parrot reenacted the shooting incident after Martin died, but was handed over to his ex-wife, Christina Keller. Christina was very surprised when this parrot said it over and over again in her residence. Christina believes that the sentence, "Don't shoot," was her ex-husband's last sentence before being shot.